Wow, there are so many different kinds. I'm not sure where to start.
Yeah, it's overwhelming. Alright, let's break it down. What do you need from a toothpaste? Are you looking for something specific?
Well, I'd like something that can help keep my teeth strong and maybe do a bit of whitening. But to be honest, I have sensitive gums, so nothing too harsh.
Okay, let's narrow it down. There's one here for sensitive gums that's also gentle on the enamel. It has fluoride, so it'll protect against cavities.
That sounds good. But what about whitening? I see there are a few that claim to do that too.
Yes, here's one that combines both whitening and sensitivity relief. It says it's gentle enough for daily use, but it might not be as strong as a regular whitening toothpaste.
I wonder if the whitening effect will even be noticeable then. Do they have anything with a more lasting effect?
Let's take a look. Here's a whitening toothpaste that claims to give a 24-hour protection against plaque. And there's also this one. It's an all-in-one formula, which has fluoride, antibacterial ingredients, and some whitening power too.
An all-in-one? That sounds ideal, but I'm worried it might not be gentle enough for my gums.
Good point. Here's one that's specifically labeled for gum protection and for people who sometimes bleed while brushing. It's fluoride-free, just so you know. Do you prefer fluoride?
Actually, yes, I've read it helps prevent tooth decay, which is a big plus for me. So maybe the fluoride-free isn't my best choice.
That's true. Fluoride is a good protective element. Okay, here's a fluoride toothpaste that's designed for people with sensitive gums. It's also antibacterial, so it helps keep your mouth fresh all day.
I like the sound of that, and antibacterial would be a nice bonus.
So it sounds like we're leaning towards either the all-in-one for convenience or this one with gum protection and antibacterial properties. Which do you think?
I think I'll go with the one for sensitive gums with antibacterial ingredients. The all-in-one sounds great, but I'd rather play it safe with my gums.
Good choice. Now that you've got your toothpaste, why don't we check out the toothbrushes too? You might find something more suitable for sensitive gums as well.
Great idea. Let's go.